In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use monday.com for HR. Whether you're new to monday.com or simply looking to optimize your HR processes, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate the platform efficiently to bring enhanced productivity to your team. Let's dive in. First, start by locating the workspace on your monday.com dashboard. You'll notice a small plus sign located beside the workspace name. This is where you can add new elements to your workspace, so go ahead and click on that plus sign. After doing so, you'll see an option for the Template Center. Click on it to delve into monday.com's wide array of templates. These are indispensable tools that make getting started much easier, especially for HR tasks where organization is paramount. Once you're in the Template Center, use the search bar to your advantage. Type in HR to filter the templates specifically designed for human resources functions. This will bring up several tailored templates intended to streamline the HR processes, whether it involves recruiting, employee onboarding, or performance tracking. Templates are valuable because they provide a framework that can help structure your activities without having to start from scratch. Now that you've typed in HR, you can browse through the options presented. Each template is crafted to fulfill a specific HR role, so take a moment to consider what aligns best with your current needs. When you find one that looks like a good fit, go ahead and select it. Clicking on the template reveals more detailed information about its functionalities and how it can benefit your HR tasks. With the right template in sight, the next step is to click on Use Template. This action makes the template a part of your workspace. Using a template helps you capitalize on predefined settings like columns and automation that are particularly suited for HR requirements. These components can significantly reduce the time spent on setting up tracking systems or coordinating tasks across different teams. After adding the template to your workspace, take a moment to explore all the features it offers. You can adjust various elements of the template to better cater to your company's specific processes, ensuring that it serves your HR objectives precisely. You are encouraged to modify fields, adjust automations, and even integrate other tools like Google Drive or Slack if needed. This customization process allows you to make the template work uniquely for your team's workflows. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, accessing the Template Center, locating the HR templates, selecting the one that fits your needs, and customizing it, you can efficiently use monday.com to supercharge your HR processes. As you become more familiar with the platform, you'll find it an indispensable asset for your human resources tasks. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.